Hi everyone, welcome back to That's Tech Show. This box actually have been sent to me by Xiaomi to review this device. This is the first time they send me a review unit, so really exciting milestone for the channel. Let's see what this Redmi 9C is all about and what is it offering in this price segment. Let's unbox it. So out of the box we get a 10 watt maximum charger to charge a 5000 milliamp battery, and I believe this is micro USB. So at this price segment, entry level, we're still getting a micro USB. So this is the blue 2GB RAM, 32GB storage variant that they sent me. So here we get 3-slot SIM tray. That's great. We can expand the memory and use 2 SIM cards on this one. No eye or blaster, but we get a 3.5mm jack at the top. Here you have it, the Redmi 9C. I'm going to test it more in the coming days and post more videos. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel. I have more content coming up, and see you in another video.